The moment you drive a new car off the lot, it can lose thousands of dollars in value before you've even merged onto the road. This isn't a scam or bad luck. It's just how cars work, and almost nobody explains the real math behind it. Cars are one of the few big purchases most people make where the value drops steadily every year. Sometimes by more than half within just a few years. Yet, for many buyers, the loan payments keep going regardless of how much the car is actually worth by then. It loses value every year. The payments don't care. Here's the part that catches people off guard. Because the car's value drops faster than many loans get paid down early on. It's common to owe more on the loan than the car is actually worth for a good stretch of time. Sell during that window, you could end up paying extra out of pocket just to get out of a car you no longer have. You can owe more than the car is worth. 4 years. This isn't about never enjoying a nice car. A car is a cost of getting around, not a wealth-building tool. The people who come out ahead usually buy something reliable, keep it longer than feels exciting, and let the money they're not spending on constant upgrades go to work somewhere that actually grows. A car gets you places. It doesn't build wealth. So here's how to make a smarter call. 1. Buy a car you can comfortably afford without stretching your budget, ideally with a smaller loan or none at all. 2. Plan to keep it for years past when it's paid off, since that's when it actually starts saving you real money. 3. Before every new upgrade, ask if you're buying it because you need it or because the new car feeling is doing the deciding for you. Subscribe to this channel. Every week I break down one money habit that's quietly making people rich.